Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's Sophie. So today I'm using the Armed and Gorgeous palette from the Jaclyn x Morphe Vault collection. The palette is going to be launched at a later date because of inconsistencies in the palettes. I am on Morphe's PR list, so I did get the palettes before the launch date. I did film all of these tutorials before Morphe announced that they were going to be resetting the launch date, and I would definitely say that I didn't feel as if the formula was exactly the same as the original Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette, but I definitely don't think that these formulas are horrible or that they're really hard to work with. I actually enjoyed all four palettes, and I definitely was still able to work with them, and you know, I applied them the way I normally apply every other eyeshadow palette, and I have worked with eyeshadow palettes that have been way worse than these. Like, I would not even consider these to be bad palettes, and I'm not just saying that because I'm on PR. I work with a lot of eyeshadows, and I do my eye makeup every single day, so I work with a lot of product. So I did already pre-record this video, and I took a lot of time to film this video, so I still wanted to upload it and give you guys this tutorial. But nonetheless, huge props to Morphe for wanting to work on the formula even more and perfecting the palette so that everyone gets a better product. So I have a lot of respect for Morphe for doing that. So I'm just going to jump into the tutorial. We are still giving away the full collection at the end of this month. So if you want to be entered for that giveaway, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that you turn your post notifications on, and then make sure you're subscribed, and make sure you comment done down below to be entered to win this collection. So the first thing I'm doing is priming my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Fair. And this is the step that I always do in all of my videos, and then I do set that with a little bit of translucent powder. Then I'm going into this shade here called VIP, and this color here does have specks of glitter in it, but I still think that it was a really pretty eyeshadow for the brow bone and also for the inner tear duct. And then the next shade that I went into is the yellow shade in the palette called Access, and this shade was very pigmented for me, and I did think it was a nice transition shade. I've worked with a lot of yellows in the crease before, and this one was a lot more pigmented than a lot of other yellows that I've used in the past. So I did like this shade, but keep in mind that it was inconsistent for other influencers, but it worked out for me. And then for this shade, I picked up the light brown shade and the dark brown shade, and I applied both of them into my crease. And I use this very defined angled brush, and I'm just starting to draw out a line in my crease. And I did go above my natural crease line. I did want to add a little bit of lid space. So if you do have a crease that's a little bit lower than most people, then I recommend that you try that step. Just try drawing your crease a little bit higher than you normally would. It definitely takes practice, but once you do it, it's definitely going to change your eyeshadow game. And then I went back into that yellow shade to help me diffuse that crease. Next, I'm picking up this orange shade in the palette, and I'm going to be using this in the crease as well, just to create more of a gradient effect in the crease. And I'm just going in left and right motions with this fluffy brush, and I do feel like all these shades really worked well together, and all of them were pretty pigmented for me. They didn't really give me any issues. Then I just picked up my Bobbi Brown concealer blending brush and some more Tarte Shape Tape, and I'm just starting to carve the lid. Next, I'm picking up this shade right here called Classified, and I do think that these metallic shades in all these palettes are pretty good. I mean, I did wet my brush with some Fix Plus. I always do that with metallic shades regardless, just to get the ultimate amount of payoff. But as you can see here, this shade turned out beautifully. I really do love all of the metallic shades that I have used from this collection. Definitely recommend that you wet your brush though, so that you get the most payoff. And then I'm picking up this shade here called Top Secret, and I'm just starting to buff that on the outer corner. And then I did pick up some more of that dark brown eyeshadow, and I'm just starting to add some on the outer corner just to add a little bit more of a gradient effect. For my liquid liner, I did pick up my Schwing liner by the Balm. This is my favorite liquid liner, and then I just peeled off the tape. And then for lashes today, I'm using my Shop Sophie Belle lashes in the style Jamaica. These are one of my favorite lashes at the moment. They are still in stock, so if you want to get yourself a pair, the link to purchase those lashes will be in the description box down below. Then I picked up my Mr. Right eyeliner by the Balm and put that in my waterline, and then I'm going back into this yellow shade and I'm just starting to buff that onto my lower lash line. And then I'm picking up the green shade once again, and I'm just trying to get that as close to my waterline as possible, and I'm just starting to layer these shadows. Then I'm picking up the dark brown shade, and I'm picking up a more defined brush, and I'm trying to get that even closer to my waterline. And then I'm picking up my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just putting that on my lower lashes. Then I'm going into that shade called Coin, and you guys, this eyeshadow is so freaking beautiful. It's unlike any other gold eyeshadow that I've used. The color payoff on that shadow is phenomenal. Then I just grabbed my spoolie, ran it through some bar soap, ran it through my brows, and this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to see more tutorials that we have pre-filmed using these palettes. Once again, don't forget to enter our giveaway if you want to win the whole collection. All you have to do is be subscribed, give this video a thumbs up, turn your post notifications on, and then comment done down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!